Because it's our birthday. Flight school part 2. Let's go. Hold on. Alright, there we go. There we go. Where you go? Yo, wait. Yeah, hold on. Nigga's about to get it. That nigga's about to get a lineup over here. Yeah. Alright, hold on. I had to turn the controls off.
Listen out for the baby. Just listen out for him.
We about to go on a rescue mission to go get the baby, right? Operation drop the baby bib off. Damn, this shit pick up like crazy. You feel like one? I don't even know. Alright. Flight school testing part 3. Shit got me kind of nervous and shit. Well, you know what I mean? I'm in pilot school right now, so. What do you think? You pulled down to go up, right? That's what it looked like in the movie. They pulled down to go up. So we going up. Alright.
There's no sense pointing fingers. They're playing the Patriot War. I am a Patriot.
Here we go.
Company's been serving this military.
See, that's to go up.
We're not some startup war profiteer. That's enough. I understand you're concerned about corporate secrets.
Okay.
Because we got nothing leaks.
See that there?
Kill me on Wall Street. We're talking hundreds of
Yeah.
millions.
Not that button, dude.
Nice having your employee, Mark. But give us time to do our jobs.
Sound like it's a detonation button. Self-destruct, you know?
Oh, I'm pretty sure.
All right.
Just took us off the clock, man.
Testing part 3.
Gentlemen,
Here we go.
if you'll excuse me.
Alright. I don't even want to press a button on this thing. See, I'm just hitting the power button because I don't know how to like shut this shit off. Alright. At least we know it's going places in life. It's definitely going places. Alright. Alright. That was kind of lit. Looking like we need to change angles. So hold on. I'll change angles on this one.